So in this video I'm going to show you how we can make our agent AI move from different waypoints. Okay, now we have our empty scene, empty project. We're gonna create a plane, and then we're gonna create a capsule which is gonna represent our agent AI. We're gonna position it correctly. Then we're gonna create a cube and we're gonna place it in the middle. And then we're going to create a material. Okay, and then for our capsule we're going to attach the Navmesh agent component to our capsule, and then to the cube we're gonna go to the navigation, and you can also find it in the window AI navigation. I'm gonna click on it, and then we're gonna click on navigation static, and we're gonna make it not walkable. So, and then we're gonna bake it so the player or the AI doesn't walk through it. Then we're going to create a script. We're gonna name it agent AI. And then we're going to create a empty game object. I'm gonna name it waypoint. We can assign a icon to it. Then we're gonna position it correctly. And then we're gonna duplicate it using Control D. In our case, we're gonna have 4 waypoints, each in a different angle. Yeah, now we're gonna go to our script. Okay, here we have our public list of transform objects, where is gonna be our waypoint. And then we're defining a Navmesh agent. Make sure to use unityagent.ai at the top. And then we're creating an integer which is going to be our current waypoint index, and it's set to 0. In the start method, we're going to get the Navmesh agent component. And then we're going to create a walking method. We're gonna check if our waypoint count equal to 0, which means that there's no waypoints defined, so we're gonna return. Else we're gonna create a float variable where we're gonna calculate the distance to the current waypoint by using vector3.distance. So we're gonna check if the agent is close enough to the current waypoint. If it is, we're gonna switch to the next waypoint by using by incrementing the index and using modulo. So we're using modulo to create a loop effect where the agent gonna go back to the first waypoint if it reaches the end of the list. Now let's say, for example, we have 4 waypoints. It's gonna be the index from 0 to 3. And our waypoint would count equals to 4. Now if we reaches index 3, we're gonna increment it by 1, and it's gonna be 4. And then it's gonna be 4 modulo waypoint.count, which is 4. So 4 modulo 4 equal to 0. So here we are going back to index 0. So we are going back to the first waypoint. So this is how the loop is created. We're gonna set the destination to the current waypoint, and then we're gonna call the method in the update. Now we're gonna attach our script to our capsule, and we're going to create 4 index elements, array elements, and assign our waypoint in order. And then we're gonna also click on the plane and make it walkable. Click on navigation static and make it walkable, and make sure to bake it, and then let's hit play. As you can see, the capsule is moving into 4 different waypoints. And we can also change the distance to waypoint. Maybe this one is better. I don't know if you noticed the difference, but yeah. And thank you for watching.